Hola, Dios te bendiga. Mi hija me acaba de informar que acabó de procesar el video del cuarto de baño que hemos reformado en 5 días. Así que quiero compartirlo con vos. Te dejo con Sofía, que poco a poco, paso a paso, te va a ir explicando cómo lo hemos hecho. Espero que lo disfrutes. Innovalini.com. Reformas de cocinas y baños en Barcelona. Innovalini, renovando tu interior.
Mira la reseña que Jordi, el dueño de este cuarto de baño, ha puesto en Google.
Welcome to Innovalini, your reliable partner in comprehensive bathroom renovations in Barcelona. On this occasion, we bring you an exciting look at one of our latest comprehensive bathroom renovations. But before we dive into this exciting project, allow us to introduce ourselves. At Innovalini, we are passionate about transforming spaces, and we specialize in the complete remodeling of kitchens and bathrooms in Barcelona. Our commitment is to carry out each project with the highest quality and professionalism. Now, without further ado, let's enter the world of bathroom transformation. In this case, we are faced with a comprehensive bathroom renovation in Barcelona, and we couldn't be more excited to show you the before and after. The process? Preparing the work area. The first thing we did was completely clear the work environment, making sure everything was ready to begin. Removal of antique furniture and sanitary, out with the old. We removed the old furniture and bathroom fixtures, including the bathtub, to make way for a blank canvas. Repairing walls and floor. Next, we proceeded to redo the walls and floor, making sure they were in perfect condition for the next stage. Waste management. Proper management of debris is essential in our process. We recognize and remove the ruin in a responsible and ecological manner. Installations and floor leveling. To guarantee the optimal functioning of the bathroom, we carry out the necessary electricity, water, and drainage installations. In addition, a perfectly level floor is essential, so we carefully level the floor before continuing. Window installation. A new window provides natural light and a fresh atmosphere to the bathroom. Shower tray and ceramic. We placed a modern shower tray, extra flat, stunning, custom-made slate effect that adapts perfectly to the space. Ceramics on the floor and walls add elegance and ease of cleaning to the bathroom.
Renovando tu interior. Innovalini.com. Innovalini. Reformas integrales de cocinas y baños en Barcelona.
Taps and fixed shower screen. We carefully choose the taps and a fixed tempered glass screen, with anti-limescale treatment that will complement the general design.
Diseño, decoración y muebles a medida en Innovalini.
Door. Attention to details is essential, so we carefully place the door. We have repaired it, sand it, place hinges and brush so that it closes correctly. And as the icing on the cake, we have painted it with the spray gun technique to give it an exceptional finish.
Cuartos de baño, cocinas, todo lo que necesitas para tu hogar. Estamos en Barcelona. Somos
Bathroom and WC furniture. We installed an elegant bathroom furniture. This is a piece of furniture in a suspended oak finish so that it transcends time, preventing humidity from deteriorating it. This same piece of furniture with 2 drawers with breaks and dividers inside. And we also installed a modern toilet. LED lighting and mirror. For a cozy atmosphere, we add LED lights that highlight the beauty of the space. And as a final touch was the placement of a mirror with anti-fog touch technology, and LED light gradient that enhances the spaciousness of the bathroom. Final cleaning, and after so much work, we clean thoroughly so you can enjoy your new bathroom immediately. At Innovalini, we are proud to carry out each project following strict best practice policies, and we take our commitments very seriously. In fact, We offer a refund of €250 in case of delay in our deliveries according to the agreed agreement, because your satisfaction is our priority. So, if you are looking to renovate your bathroom in Barcelona, do not hesitate to contact us. At Innovalini, we will help you turn your vision into reality.
Innovalini.com. Reformas de cocinas y baños en Barcelona. Innovalini, renovando tu interior.